Welcome to Credit Josh YouTube channel. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh. That's right, Credit Josh, not GBC. This is Personal Credit Channel. Okay, I just want to do a little unboxing and review about my BlockFi card, Bitcoin BlockFi card. Look how cool their little packaging is here. Pretty cool, huh? The card is not that really makes a difference. It all spins the same. But it's a nice little like metal fused with plastic, it seems like. But the number here on the back, you can see they put it down, going down versus going across. And doesn't say your name or anything on it. So you don't have to worry about anything like that. Cool packaging. I got 11,500. I would tell you, I got denied 3 times applying for this. And each time you get denied, you have to wait 30 days. I'm going to give you guys all the inside scoop and the underwriter requirement, all those details in this video. So stay tuned. It's unlike any other video because it's breaking down the ones that are having a hard time getting approved. Anyways, like I said, this is the Credit Josh channel, personal credit only, not business credit. Make sure you hit subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I'm really trying to grow this channel. We have over 31,000 subscribers over at Get Business Credit. Let's get 30,000 subscribers here at Credit Josh. I need your help. Thank you so much. All right, without further ado, let's get into it, all right? This is just a little slide show that I put together here. From BlockFi's website. Use my link in the description below because you're going to get some cryptocurrency if you use my link. We actually both get some, okay? Anyways, you need to first register an account before you can even apply for the BlockFi card. So you just got to register. Use my link, like I said, in the description below. Make an account. Like it says here, buy, sell, and earn crypto. We have the Crypto Dudes other channel. That's going to talk more about cryptocurrency, but this is still a great card all the way around. Like I said, they gave me 11,500, 1.5% back in crypto on every purchase with a BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature card. Okay, so what that means basically is 1.5%. Saying you get in Bitcoin, right now Bitcoin's a little low, but before it was like 78,000. If it gets back up there like that, 1.5%, that's a lot. So you know, this can be less than 1.5%, or it could be worth in the future 5-10%. Who knows? Depends what cryptocurrencies, where they go. All right, pretty self-explanatory on that. If not, comment. Anyways, I'm going to go through this. Like it says here, get an unlimited 1.5% back in crypto on every purchase. Stay until the end because the end I will break down the underwriter requirements, all that. Okay, so like it says here, introducing the BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature Card. No annual fee or foreign transaction fees. Earn rewards in BTC, which is Bitcoin, or ETH, which is Ethereum, or any other 15 plus cryptos. Okay, that's to each your own, but you know, I still have confidence in Bitcoin getting back up there where it was before. Get up to 10% back at thousands of brands and restaurants. I haven't really used it, you know, for that, but, you know, I've only had it for a couple months now. And then it says here, see if you're pre-approved with no impact to your credit, which is great. Okay, so you're not going to get a hard pull. All right, earning crypto has never been easier. 1.5% back on every purchase, up to 10% back, like I said, at thousands of brands with BlockFi offers. So they have different offers that you can get when you use the card, kind of like American Express when you use their offers, similar to that. And then 2% back after you spend $30,000 on annual spend. So you get bumped up 0.5% if you spend $30,000 annually. Yeah, I know 0.5% isn't a lot, but if you're kind of like a risk taker like I am and have confidence in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin that it's going to get way up there, 0.5%, it can be worth a lot. And then it says here 0.25% on eligible crypto purchases and trades. So you can actually get, if you do purchases of crypto and trades within their platform they have here too, you'll get 0.25% back on that. So you'll actually get 1.75%. All right, get even more crypto back at thousands of your favorite brands. It's kind of repetitive that they're saying that, but this came directly from their homepage. BlockFi offers and gives you more ways to earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto rewards as you shop, dine, and travel. There are so many ways and places you can earn additional rewards and being added they're being added all the time, from national brands to local businesses you love. That's what they say, I guess. The BlockFi rewards card gives you more ways to earn crypto. I'm taking this right from their site on the homepage. They're being pretty repetitive, but hey, let's be honest. Learn about the BlockFi rewards card. All right, this is kind of a little bit important. Who can apply for the card? The BlockFi rewards credit card is for U.S. citizens in qualified states. New York is excluded. Sorry, New York. Must have a BlockFi account to apply. So you have to get a BlockFi account first. Use my link in the description below. It's businesscredit2022.com/BlockFi. We both earned some crypto when you use my link. It says the credit card is not available for businesses at this time. The fact that they said that at this time it's not available for businesses, maybe you're going to have a business version. Who knows? That'd be nice, huh? Do you need a BlockFi account to be eligible for the BlockFi rewards credit card? That's pretty much the same thing as said here. Yes, you'll need to create a BlockFi account to apply for the BlockFi rewards credit card. A BlockFi account is necessary to receive your reward. Okay, so you get your reward that goes in your 1.5% back from your card each month. That's going to go into like your wallet. That's where it's going to go, okay? So it says, which crypto assets can I receive rewards in? This is quite long, so sorry for not looking at the camera. I can't memorize all this. Anyways, you can choose the cryptocurrency in which your rewards are paid. You can choose to receive rewards in any of the assets currently offered in the U.S. Most of our card holders opt in to earn rewards in Bitcoin, but some opt for Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Chainlink, Pax Gold. There's Basic Attention Token, that's BAT, Uniswap, or Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash at the same 1.5% rewards rate. Myself, I go with the Bitcoin just because it was almost at 80,000 at one point, and I'm confident it's going to go over that once the bear market kind of recovers. It's going to, I think, be a bull run. Anyways, that's up to you guys to pick. But so when you swipe and use the card, you're going to get the 1.5% back in whatever cryptocurrency you choose, and then that's going to go into your BlockFi wallet. It's separate than your card, but it's the same dashboard. Okay. Where was it there? Okay. You can also opt in instead for stablecoin rewards and earn the same 1.5% back in Gemini Dollar, GUSD, USD Coin, Paxos Standard, Pax Multi-Collateral, DIA, or Binance USD. These are stable coins, and you need to go over the Crypto Dudes future videos to learn more about that, but it's way over your head. It's just more stable than some of these more volatile main cryptocurrencies, but that's a whole nother subject. If you're gone this far, you should do your own research anyways. This is not financial advice. Keep that in mind. So you don't even have to buy any crypto. You just, if you got this card, you can just keep on earning, and then just see where it goes. And you can cash out and convert it into USD later if you want. Choice of rewards is a convenient way to diversify your crypto portfolio and gives you the freedom and flexibility to adapt to market conditions. Best of all, you can change the crypto assets reward you want and receive it whenever you want. So you can, switch it between the months and stuff, all right? Any questions you guys have, put it in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer it. Says, how many times can I change my rewards asset? You can change your rewards asset as many times as you want, up to 11:59 UTC on the last day of every month. I don't know why you would do that. I would say just once a month if you were wanting to change around a little bit, but the crypto assets that is selected at the time will be the asset is paid out the next rewards payout, which is the second Friday of every month. You can only be paid out in one crypto asset. Multiple assets cannot be selected. You can only choose you can choose any currency on the BlockFi platform, including stablecoins. Okay, and this is kind of going overboard. Do I need good credit to apply? The BlockFi Rewards Visa Signature credit card does not require good to excellent credit. I beg to differ. Just wait until the end and I'll tell you why. But you can see if you're pre-approved without any impact to your credit. A soft credit pull happens before you've accepted the credit card offer. A hard pull occurs when you've accepted your credit card offer, which can have an impact on your credit score. That's when the hard pull happens. And I'll tell you through who and all that. But I kind of disagree with this whole statement. How does applying for the BlockFi Rewards credit card affect my credit score? Going through the pre-approval process to see if you qualify for a BlockFi Rewards credit card will not impact your credit score. If you proceed with the application after receiving an offer and a rate, you must check the box agreeing to a hard pull of your credit, and your credit score may be impacted by deserved credit inquiry. Wow, you guys heard me for the last 5-10 minutes, however long it's been. They are repetitive over and over. Like, you read something and then the next thing pretty much says it in a different way. You guys thought I repetitive. They are very repetitive, whoever wrote the site. Can I use the card anywhere? The BlockFi Rewards credit card is available to U.S. residents. New York is excluded. It already said that like a couple minutes ago, but they want to say it again. It can be used at any merchant that accepts Visa. There's no foreign transaction fee incurred. I think that's the 4th time they've said that. And keep in mind, this is all on one page. When are the crypto rewards paid out? I just answered that. 2 lines up. Crypto rewards are paid out, regular monthly cycle, and your BlockFi account, remember, is the second Friday. They just reworded it a little bit. But I do like them. They're just a little repetitive on their site. See if you're pre-approved with no impact to your credit score. I know, so much. As of February 14th, 2022, the BlockFi entrance only BIA account is no longer available to new clients who are U.S. persons or persons located in the U.S. and existing U.S. clients with a BIA account are unable to transfer new assets to their BIAs. So I was kind of grandfathered into that, but since it's not available in the U.S., let's not even get into that. But yeah, it's not that big of a deal. All right, real quick, and then the video is over, okay? As you can see me here, Credit Josh. Underwritten is by Deserve, okay? So Deserve is the BlockFi. They have even, you've been on Credit Karma, they have the Deserve card. They're really getting big in the fintech space right now, especially in the commercial fintech space. They're an underwriter for quite a few of these newer fintech cards. All right. And now, like I said, I applied 3 times and was denied 3 times, had to wait 30 days each time, and then got approved the 4th time. Okay. Sensitive to any negative items. Why I got denied was a 6.5-year-old paid charge-off that was literally 6.5 years ago. But other than that, my credit was perfect, solid history, 10, 15 cards, no problem. But as soon as that dropped off, it was an instant approval. As soon as I hit to apply, pre-approve, whatever. And 11,500 is what I got. It's a soft pull through Experian. Why I say they're sensitive to any negative items? Because they were to me, and that was 6.5 years ago, and that was a paid small charge-off. So I'd imagine anything, you know, that's not that big of a deal because it's so old. But you know, a 2-year-old late payment, I'm sure they're not going to approve you. Who knows? But it seems like me, they're sensitive to any type of negative items at all. But anyways, like I said, soft pull through Experian Personal. If pre-approved and accept, the offer will result in a hard pull through Experian. The inquiry name will be, even though it's through Deserve, at least on mine and a couple of my clients, it's going to say Evolve Bank and Trust. Actually, on the back of the card, that's who the actual card issuer is, Evolve Bank. It's not Deserve. Deserves the underwriter, but then Evolve Bank and Trust, Evolve Bank is the one that has the license with Visa, if that makes any sense. And it says right here, not new account sensitive. Why I know that? Because I had, I think, 4 or 5 new credit cards reported in the last probably 3 or 4 months when I got approved for this card. So seems like they're not really new account sensitive. I think I only had 3 or 4 hard inquiries that were in the last like 24 months, last 12 months or so. Like I said, the BlockFi account is required before applying for the BlockFi card. It reports to all 3 bureaus quickly, and I mean quickly. Use my link, you guys. I'd really appreciate it. That's all for this video. Make sure you guys hit subscribe. It's going to go across the screen, and it'll be below as well. We both will earn if you use my link to sign up. Create the account, and then you can apply pre-approved, see if you get pre-approved for it. Make sure your Experian is unlocked if you have it frozen or locked or whatever, because they will do a soft pull. And if you just want to go to it, use my link. Here's my link, businesscredit2022.com/BlockFi. It's just going to redirect to my partner link. Anyways, please hit that subscribe button. And I got so many more personal credit videos coming. Help me grow this personal credit channel. Thanks again for each and every one of you guys. Bye-bye.